I think when people ask me why did I go into social work, I think for me it was that I grew up in a single parent household, in an area of deprivation, and I actually saw the value of support, and particularly into the home that I grew up, and I think that really imprinted on me as a child. You know, when I look at my role and I think about the difference that social work can make, I think apart from, you know, the protection of society's most vulnerable, I think also that we can work with families so that they can identify their own strengths. Often in times of crisis, families can struggle to see what they can do well, and I think that's a difference social workers do make for families.
Why do I feel social work is important? I feel it's important to fight social injustice, to challenge discrimination and oppression, but mainly to be working alongside citizens to find out what matters to them and what outcomes that they want to achieve.
I think we help families. I think we capture what matters to families and young people and children. And I think we try and be a force for good in their lives, and when they're struggling we try and give them the tools to make their lives better and to help them manage without social work.
Throughout my working life I've worked with social workers in a variety of different contexts, and I've received an enormous amount of support, guidance and help over the years. More than anything, I just want to say social workers have my respect and admiration and enormous thanks.
Working alongside social workers, it's a very important relationship between us and them. There is an awful lot to do in a social work environment, but the importance is huge. Without those individuals that work in social work, it would be near on impossible for us to do our role delivering care.
The main challenges for professionals has been how social workers have been viewed, and that's a really difficult thing to change. However, I think more recent changes in offering a supportive view of social workers has to be pushed forward so that families know they can reach out and ask for help and support.